We have a new Yeezy to review. What's going on, everyone? My name's Roscoe and welcome to the channel. We are going to be taking a look at the newest 350 V2. Now, I saw this pair early down at Sneaker Travelers, and as soon as I had it in hand, I knew for sure this sneaker was going to sell out. Just the pure fact of like how different and how unique the colorway really is. I mean, we really haven't gotten anything remotely close to this color. I mean, that's like one of the biggest complaints I personally hear. All these Yeezys look the same. This one looks completely different, and I will personally say I think this could be one of the better colorways of the 350 V2. But yes, I had to get my personal pair, and I'm also going to be giving away a pair of these as well. So stay tuned till later on in the video and I will fill you in with the details. This is the new 350 V2 Desert Sage. You have 350 on the box, Boost on the side because it does come with full length Boost, Yeezy Boost 350 V2, and then the colorway is Desert Sage. Sizing on the 350 V2, I always go a half size up. So let's take a look at this sneaker because I know that this shoe is fire. Woo-hoo-hoo. This colorway is sick. This colorway is sick. So this is the Desert Sage 350 V2, and I just like the vibe of this color. Desert Sage, it just fits it perfectly. It just has that cactus, that oasis kind of feel to it. Dried out green for the prime knit upper, and then that nice splash of neon orange right around the ankle collar and also inside the sneaker. Does feature a 3M stripe that goes right across the sneaker. I like how they're switching up the 3M on these shoes. You know, last year in 2019, they gave us 3M laces on a lot of the sneakers. Now this year, they're kind of throwing the 3M on the stripe. Mixing it up, I like it, it's different, they have to. They honestly have to mix it up on this shoe because if they don't, we will get sick of this silhouette. But I'm definitely feeling the vibe on this. So the 3M, on the stripe, you hit it with the flash, the thing will light up, which is really, really cool. And then the sole is that same Desert Sage green, and then the bottom of the sneaker is just a nice clear brown. It kind of wraps on the back of the heel that kind of breaks it up, which is nice. Now this color blocking is very similar to prior Yeezys. The Marsh has that same color blocking where the one prime knit color on the base coat and then you got the splash of color around the ankle. We also will get that same color blocking on an upcoming 350 V2 linen. So that will again be yellow, and then you have that nice splash of baby blue. This was great. I feel like it was a knock out of the park for them, and plus the way they released it. I mean, it was a worldwide release. It released on the app and also at some of the foot sites. I ended up copying my pair on Finish Line, and then I copped another pair on the Adidas app. Honestly, right now, if I rank them, I would probably put this second. The only one I think is a little bit better as far as colorway is concerned is probably the Earth. I just like this colorway just a little bit more, something different. I think it's because, you know, that solid color on the sole is just different. We really get like, this one's a clear sole. This one kind of reminds me of like a V1 Yeezy. So this is what I was talking about, how the same color blocking on each one. The Marsh has that same style where you have that yellow on the base coat, that 3M reflective stripe, and then you just got that splash of color here. A lot of people are changing their minds on this. When this first released, everyone was hating on this sneaker, saying how ugly it is. And now I'm seeing a bunch of people saying, you know, oh, it's growing on me. But yeah, this is a really nice colorway. I really like the vibe of it. Definitely gonna be rocking this heavy during the spring and the summertime. And then I also quickly want to mention too, the stitching is different. So it's an inverted stitching down the center, so you can't see that big, huge knot. Instead, they inverted it. So they kind of folded it in and stitched it up from the inside, which is a nice touch. Nice cleaner look, I will say. So this is my pair from Finish Line, I think. So here is the pair that I will be giving away. So here's both of them right there. And then I also have one more. So we got this box here, we got another one. Yo, it's a little 350 box. Wow, this is the first time I'll be getting like an infant 350 V2. It's not Bane's pair. I'll probably end up giving this to my nephew. So let's take a look at this. Yo, oh my god, it's so small. This is funny. So here is the little Desert Sage. Oh my god. This is mad funny. I wonder if, does it have a reflective stripe? I don't think it does. Hold on, 1 second, let me hit it with the flash. It does! No way, it does! That's so sick! Woo! My nephew's gonna love that. Bane's gonna be jealous I didn't get him a pair. So how can you win this sneaker? All you gotta do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also follow me on Instagram. And you also have to follow Yeezy Season 2. So I teamed up with Yeezy Season 2. We're gonna be giving this pair away. Guys, let me know down in the comments if this is a cop or a drop. And guys, like always too, make sure you enter the giveaway. I appreciate it always as you guys for tuning into today's video. If you did enjoy, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.